have clients who maybe are a little hesitant on the social media right now. But I just try to let them know a little something about what we do on social media when they're in my chair. I don't give them a huge lesson, just maybe, this is why we do it. And if they have a business, I've even tried to maybe give them some tips for their businesses too on their page. And just little things that I can do to help them. And sometimes I even learn something from them, that I didn't know about some of the things on social media. First thing I do is I ask for permission during the consult, just to, I'd love to take a picture of you. We don't have to get your face in it if you don't want, but I'd love to be able to. And then the second key is I'd love to be able to show you the difference between what you have and what you end up with. And then, you celebrate that new look by posting it on Instagram. Sometimes it's a little obnoxious how many pictures I take but you've got to get that perfect one. And so the before and after shot, I just learned this tip in a class that I took recently from Hallie, who is a Redken educator. And she told us to don't do a split collage anymore. Do the after picture first, and then tell them to swipe right to see the big reveal from what they had before. And so if you do start following me, you'll see that I'm now switching to that, and it really does make a bigger impact. You see this beautiful done look, and then you swipe and it's, what they had before, and you just can't believe it. And then another thing I really like to do, and I really try as much as I can, I like to be the last one to see my guest out the door. I think it makes a big impact to, say goodbye, give them a hug, because they're not going to see you for another 4 to 8 to 10 to maybe 12 weeks now. And I want my face to be the last one that they see. It's not impossible. Even when everything feels like it's against you and just one more thing could happen and you're just going to give up, don't give up. Keep going, because that's what sets you apart, is if you keep going and you don't give up, this is where you can end up. You can end up right here, just like me and so many other people. You just have to follow that path. You have to keep working. You have to push forward. You have to choose to move forward.